Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark May Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. I got my motor. It's motor day. It's build diary number what? 7? 6? 7? I don't know. Be down in the description. Oh yeah, you guys comment and like and subscribe. Yeah, do that. Is it there? There somewhere, but got my build going. I got the bike I paid for yesterday. Got a video out for that. I got my motor. Ooh, BBSHD. I also got the bling ring. At the bling ring, the Luna sells a bling ring. It's a 42 tooth chain ring. Everybody says get 42 tooth, so that's what I got. And I got all the sensors, and it's coming with a wrench. Getting a wrench. They didn't have the. I couldn't, for some reason, it kept booting the motor if I tried to buy it with the advanced charger and no battery. So I got the not advanced charger, just the 52 volt not advanced charger. Also bought a battery. By the way, thanks you guys at Luna for hooking me up with this thing. Well, I'm hoping. I'm thanking you in advance. Thank you in advance, guys at Luna. I'm so excited. I'm so tired. It's 2 in the morning. I didn't get to start this till midnight. Okay, so I also got a 52 volt, 20.3 amp hour Panasonic triangle battery from Electro Bike World. It's going to be built by one of the members of my electric bike group on the Facebook, Easy E-Riders, Lindsay. Shout out to Lindsay. Thanks, Lindsay, in advance for building me an awesome battery. Gonna go on my awesome motor. Go to my awesome bike I bought yesterday from g.h.y bikes. Thanks, guys, down there at g.h.y. They're gonna have to put the whole thing together, so I guess thanks in advance for that as well. What else do I have? Well, right now I'm hunting down the perfect helmet. I'm hoping that there'll be one on sale here at the... I already have well, we'll see. I don't know if you guys can see my TV very well. Sorry about the blurriness. It doesn't transfer, I guess. Digital to video to digital. Okay, well, this is the big thing. All right. So I'm getting a lot of stuff. I'm about to pull the trigger. I'm still dicking around with this cart, but it's early in the morning and I want to get this video done. So I'm going to pull the trigger probably in a few minutes. But I'm getting all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to talk you all through it. Getting grips, getting spikes. Yeah, I'm putting spikes in my fenders. Shut up. I'm getting grip tape and a Mad Max patch for my jacket and chain brake, new seat. I'm getting gonna try out a smaller Cloud 9. Ooh, Cloud 9. I'm gonna try out the this is a 10 by 7. I think the other one I have is a 12 by 9. It's got a vent. Getting a ratchet Allen set. I'm going to carry that on the bike. Here's more spikes. I don't need the spikes. I got better spikes from another site. Get out of here. Delete you spikes. I want to buy extra spikes I don't need. Lots of zip ties. Got the good rear rack. The Tubus rear rack. It's expensive. But it's good. It's the best, and it doesn't rattle or shake, and it's forever. It's chromoly, people. Another grip, because I got a big handlebars, and a flugelhorn. Getting a flugelhorn. Of course, getting a flugelhorn. What are you, crazy? I'm going to go anywhere without a flugelhorn. This is the handlebars I'm getting, which is why you see like all kinds of different grips on my list, because it's the big handlebars needs lots of grips. Some chain. I'm going to carry some spare chain with me so I can fix it on the fly if something goes wrong. Some brushes for cleaning the bike with the brush and brush stuff off of the bike, the dirt. I'm going to try to brush it keep it clean all the time on every ride. Got some Fat Franks. Yes, sir. Oh, look at those. They're pretty. I know. I should get Schwalbe Marathon Plus tires because they're the best recommended tires for not getting flats. But these are pretty though. These ones they're pretty. What else we got? We got CO2 pump with CO2 cartridges, boot protector for the crank arm on the end of the crank where you stick the pedal in and it gets together so it doesn't get scuffed up. Something to clean the chain, Loctite, getting a liquid electric tape to waterproof the BBSHD seams. You put a little extra on the seams. It says helps waterproof it. People says can't hurt, so I'm going to do it. Also have a chain tensioner because I hear a lot of people, the chains pop off periodically, so chain tensioner should help stop that. Also a repair stand, park tool repair stand, getting some dielectric grease to waterproof the connections, a link pliers for on the bike, and some, what are they, I think I call master links, these guys, Tuffy tire liners, and a kickstand. There you go. That's all the stuff I'm getting. Wait, no, I'm getting more stuff. This is all the whimsical stuff. All this stuff up here, good stuff. Gonna get it. It's got to be on the bike. This stuff is stuff I'm getting just because I want it for the whimsy. So I'm not gonna add it into the cost of the bike. Got this is some a mount for my helmet, cargo netting, some gloves that'll match my color scheme on my bike. Good. This is a watch band. Don't worry about the watch band. Padded bike shorts, because it's a pretty good deal on those padded bike shorts. And I've been wearing padded shorts recently under my regular shorts, so I might as well get those. I like this. I got a Fox t-shirt, and it was real pleasant to wear on the ride. So I'm going to try one of the long sleeve shirts as well. They wick the sweat. The perspiration, which is nice. My headphones broke, so I'm getting new headphones. Not getting this. I was going to paint the bike. I'm not going to paint the bike. I was going to powder coat the bike. I'm not going to powder coat the bike. Three Amigos, got to get that, but it's not for the bike. And of course, Mad Max. It's already in the. It's already in my. Did I take it out? No, there it is. Yeah, I got it. Boom, right there. Okay, that's the stuff I'm gonna tinker with it a little bit still, and then boom, pull the trigger on that, and I'm going to have everything I need. And I think in 2 weeks I'm going to have this bike. I don't know if I've mentioned it. I'm going to call it the Hoochie Maguchi. It's the Hoochie Maguchi. When I'm riding it, it's the Bark Me Mobile, but the Bark Me Mobile, the Bark Me Mobile, I can't say it. I'm so tired. I'm so excited. I'm so tired. The Bark Me Mobile, when I'm riding it, you know, but when I'm not riding it, it's the Hoochie Maguchi. There's a long story behind that. I'm just going to call it the Magooch. The Magooch. So that's it. The Magooch is about to become a thing. It's in its infancy. It's in its, not even in its infancy, it's in its embryonic state. Embryonic? I'm so tired. So early in the morning. So late last night. All right. Well, I'm getting out of here, but I wanted to make sure that I commemorated this moment in the build diary, and here I've done it. So ride safe, be seen, have fun.